The board not found error in Trello typically means the board URL is invalid, the board was deleted or archived, or you lack access permissions. This affects web, mobile, and shared links. Fix it in 2 to 10 minutes with these steps. Check URL spelling. Ensure the board link is correct. Copy-paste from a known source. Avoid manual typing. Log in correctly. Sign out of Trello. Profile, log out. Then log back in with the same account that had access. Use incognito mode to bypass cached sessions. Verify board status. Search boards. In Trello Home, search the board name in Your Boards or Starred. Check closed boards. Click boards. See closed boards. Bottom. If archived, click Reopen. Ask owner. If shared, contact the board owner to confirm it's not deleted, permanently gone after 30 days. Clear cache and update. Browser. Control+Shift+R, hard refresh, or clear cache. Settings, privacy, clear data. App. Force close Trello app. Update via App Store or Google Play or reinstall. Check permissions. If invited, ensure your email is verified and you're added as a member, not just observer. Owner. Re-invite via board menu. Invite. Contact support. If persistent, go to Trello.com/contact. Submit board URL and account email. Response in 1 to 2 days.